Hi everybody, welcome to a new farm tour. It's August 31st, so it is still the August farm tour, almost September farm tour. First of all, I like to welcome all our new subscribers. We've had quite a few the last couple of weeks. Welcome to our channel, and I hope you enjoy every new video. Please take a look at the other videos we already posted. So it's been quite the week for me. I woke up Thursday morning with a severe allergic reaction. Wasn't sure to what. I think it might be from the fig tree. It's the only thing I did different than all the other days before, and that's just picking some figs for the pigs. And I didn't eat them, I just touched them bare hands, no gloves. So maybe that's it. I'm not sure. I didn't do a test or anything, but today is Saturday, so I've been 3 days of scratching and going crazy of all the itching. It's all over my body. I have antihistamine tablets, I have an antihistamine cream, but it's just really annoying. And I had 3 nights of terrible sleep with all the scratching. Yesterday morning I even collapsed after I got up. I think it's just from all the stress. I kind of went to bed with a little bit of panicking feeling because it was around my mouth, and I was afraid that it would like go inside to your lungs or anything. So I went to sleep with a panic feeling, and I woke up really hot. So yeah, I felt like I was gonna faint, and I yelled out to bed, "I'm not feeling well," and then I already lay on the floor. And he wanted to go to the hospital with me, but after a couple of minutes I came by and everything was fine. But so let's hope in a couple of days that it will be over as soon as possible for me. I really want it to be over like yesterday, but it is what it is. Even my ears are red and hot, and everything starts to hurt from all the scratching. So that's what's going on in my life at the moment. And well, let's get on with the farm tour. already seen this in the videos, outside seating area. And let me show you my plants. Unfortunately, if I lay down in the middle of it, they were so beautiful and now they're all squashed. But they're still pretty. And this one is doing great as well. And this is the one I got from my friend Grape. Still alive, gee. Oh, Mr. Giraffe has fallen. That one is pretty as well. So these are the ones I planted myself. And those are the ones I bought. And here is a cactus. I think that one is not gonna make it. But that one is doing great. You can see more. There's another one starting to grow. A little pepper. And over here is the same on the other side. This one is a lot smaller, but also doing great. The pool is empty at the moment. I think the pool days are done, but we're gonna fill it up one more time. During the day it's still hot and can be nice to cool down a bit. Well, that's those trees I'm not coming near anytime soon. We have quite a few of them. The raised beds are a bit neglected. And my bell pepper is doing lovely. I forgot that one, so it was the first one ready and I forgot, and now it's overripe and not good anymore. So that's sad. But it has a lot more. My cucumber is still going crazy. High up there. It's going everywhere. And I think here are some more bell peppers as well. How do I show them? From this side. Yes. See? They're doing great. This one is also a bit struggling with the cucumber. But I think they managed. Survival of the strongest. So that one is not good. Still got to take my leek out and the broccoli, which is not doing anything other than just making leaves. This is my pointy cabbage. I try to start again. And I see I have caterpillars. So I'm gonna have to find the guy who did this. And my carrots and still got very big onions hiding between the carrots. And the carrots all go to the pigs, so they're happy as well. They're small, but it's okay. Some of them are nice. That's a good one. So my other veggie garden, what can I say about it? It needs a shade cloth next year, that's for sure. The potatoes, my neighbor was right, we were too late, so they started rotting in the ground. And in the night when I water the plants, Eva comes in as well and she's digging them up. It's okay. I found 5 pumpkin plants by the pigs. Only 2 of them survived, but they're not going fast, so I'm not sure if it will bring a pumpkin this year. I do see a flower already, but that's not enough. My only tomato plant looking really sad. I planted some new beans. I thought, look, let's try again. I forgot them in the other area to water them, so they died, but I'm here every night to water my courgette, so I'm hoping that I will get some beans after all this year. And here are my courgettes. I had 5, 1 died, so 4 left. Not seen any courgettes yet, only the male flowers. And this one is infected with aphids. And there was an ant's nest in the middle, but I think they have moved on. And my melon is done as well. So I have to get some melons. Otherwise they're gonna rot here as well. So for next year definitely need a shade cover. And I'm thinking of doing a potato field on that part. And then here more space for courgette and pumpkin. These are asleep until they hear me. Then they wake up. Hi, Mamu. Amara, you want some apples? I do have some apples for you. And that's the fig tree where I got figs. And well, I don't know for sure, of course. But not going there anymore. Or at least not touching it anymore. I hear from a lot of people that they're not harvesting grapes this year, and this is why we're not gonna harvest this year, because it's pretty much nothing. These were sick last year, but even if you look at the rest of this small field, a lot of vines didn't even start blossoming. Well, a lot of vines didn't even do anything. This one is dead, but those like this one, just a few leaves, and that's all. So we're gonna check in the back, but well, we already know we're not doing the harvest. But I did bring my buckets because I am gonna harvest some for the pigs and of course for ourselves to eat, because wine grapes you can eat as well. And the ones that are left are nice and sweet. Very sweet. These were my table grapes. Well, not a lot here. Not so sweet. Well, no, it hasn't been a good year for the grapes, and not for the cherries, and not for my plums. I didn't have much plums, and I think this apple tree might be a little forgotten. It didn't drop his apples. That's weird. You see, even if you look at this one, it has some grapes and it's all looking pretty sad. Hi everyone, a little update. I made the introduction video on Saturday and Saturday evening. And Saturday evening my throat started to close up and I could hardly swallow. It really hurt. So Sunday we went to the hospital anyway, and I got an IV drip, which did wonders for me, and I'm still on the prednisolone, but I'm okay now, so everything is fine again. But it's been quite a weekend for me, and well, still not completely sure what caused it, but I hope it will stay away now. So that's it again for this week's video, the August farm tour. I hope you enjoyed it and stay tuned for all the next videos. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share with all your friends. Bye!